Take a look at this Z06 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 Coupe. One owner. Clean Carfax. Actual miles. Just a little over 28,000 is all in this one. Adult, owned and driven, never been tracked, well maintained, and it shows. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front fascia. Torch red paint on this car shows extremely well. Jet black interior. Of course, underneath the hood, 6.2 liter V8. That is paired up with the optional automatic transmission in this car. 8-speed with tap shift. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right to our website. Check out all the pics. You can also call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct Z06 wheel and take a look at the rotors and the big brakes behind that. You're going to need them in a car like this. Paint literally looks like it's wet. Just take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's pretty much free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches, which I would assume this car would look like due to the fact it's been stored indoors, climate-controlled storage year-round. Like I said earlier, well-maintained, adult-owned and driven, has not been tracked. There is also a picture of the window sticker in with the still picture, so you'll be able to see exactly how this car is optioned. A few of the things that I can tell you are going to notice on there, it obviously has the carbon fiber package. Removable transparent roof panel is in the back of it. And then the carbon flash hood stripe and the red custom stitching on the seats. But these things were nearly $100 new, and it doesn't look like they're exactly going down anytime soon. There is a little bag that will go with this. I know I said the front license plate bracket. There's a factory air filter in there, the window sticker, some miscellaneous things too. So I want to let you know that that will go with it. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Another thing, if you like late model Corvettes or just Corvettes in general for that matter, maybe like high horsepower sports cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you will see pop up on there for videos and what type of cars are in them. Go ahead and subscribe. Always cool cars coming through here. These vehicles are available to purchase when the videos are made, either online or off of our showroom floor if you make it see us in person. Of course, your modern amenities, memory seating, windows, locks, power seats. Take a look at the condition of these seats. Doesn't look like they've really been sat in. And as you can see, the red stitching, one of the options you're going to see on that. Window sticker, as well as the rest of the interior here on the steering wheel. Heads-up display. Steering wheel controls for driver's information center. Let's go ahead and fire this up. All right, there's your exact miles, 28,512. Can see no check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that on. Did have the warning that, hey, eventually you're going to have to do an oil change. And if you can see that ahead of me, there's your heads-up display. And that can be turned completely off, adjusted, dimmed, brightened however you want it. Top of the dash. Looks fantastic. Of course, infotainment system. Heated and ventilated seats. Electronic. Dual climate control. Slip around to the back seat and hear this run. Of course, it's going to sound pretty tame just sitting here idling. Get one of these out on the road, under throttle. That is a whole different story. And remember, one owner, clean Carfax, actual miles. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. And let's go ahead and take a peek underneath the hood, see how that engine bay looks. I think I know what it's going to look like compared to the rest of this car. Let's check it out. All right, let's get a look at the hood liner. It's the underside of the hood, nice and clean and tidy. There it is, that LT4 6.2 liter supercharged V8. Nice clean and tidy engine bay. Smooth runner. That's what you'd expect. No surprises on this one, folks. Wish I had room for it in my garage. 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe Z06. Torch red jet black interior. And just what you want. Adult driven, well maintained, clean Carfax, low miles. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And again, that number 507-386-1726.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. One of the fun ones in red and black, looking really good with all the extra features like the spoiler, the air grabbers. We have a poly roof that I can see through, and it is beautiful. Factory radio. Has excellent sound. All right, let's see how she does on the highway. This is an automatic, which makes it easy to drive. You don't want to hold that pedal down too long or you get going much faster than the speed limit. And it's effortless, and it handles like a dream. We have paddle shifting capabilities. Very comfortable. Leather bucket seats, of course. Nice quiet ride, but for that exhaust note, which is awesome. Handling is amazing, even though we are on a straight road right now, so I don't get to test that quite as much as I'd like. If we had a track, that would be lots of fun. Heads-up display showing the speed and the gear that you are in. Pretty much matches what you see on the dash. If there are any flickering lights in our dash, that's just our camera's frame rate, not the car. The car's gauges are doing great. Brakes work very well. Handles amazing, as a Corvette should. Doesn't lean at all in the corners. Let's hit that throttle again. Well, that is a lot of fun. You really gotta drive this car to understand how much fun it is, but take a look at the pictures and learn more about it at UniqueClassicCars.com.